Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's talk about how to memorize music. First, try working without your instrument. Having received your sheet music, you will want to start reading and playing it immediately. However, don't forget that being a musician means working and not just enjoying yourself. So be patient. Imagine getting ready for a trip to another country. What would you do first? You would find out something about the country, i.e., the best time to visit, the current political situation, how much things cost, etc. Having done this, you would be able to make an initial plan. You should first define the musical structure and the form of the piece. Even if you are not good at it, you should be able to divide the piece into fragments and phrases. This is because every complex task should be divided into smaller ones to make it easier to do. Sing, 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 sing. Singing is very helpful. It will help you find out where the phrases begin, where they end, where they go, where they ascend in descent, where the sound is loud or soft, and so on. It will also help you improve your pitch. Singing will show you how to play phrases naturally. Don't try to sing operatically or outside your vocal range. You should sing as naturally as possible without effort. Even if you can hardly sing in tune, keep doing it. You should first sing and then play. When playing something, we face difficulties which make us play unnaturally. It has a great influence on our interpretation. For that reason, we should sing first and then play, so that we can hear how the music sounds naturally. Choose the tempo that you will begin working in. The tempo should be comfortable for you, so that you can play the piece from beginning to end without discomfort. It may sound 3-4 times slower than the original. A slower tempo allows you to see your problems. It's like examining your technique by using a microscope. Then you can gradually increase the tempo until you reach the actual one. Use a metronome. You should memorize the piece at the time you start working on it. Be aware of the 4 types of memory: motor memory, visual memory, auditory memory, and analytical memory. Not all 4 types of memory are expressed equally in all musicians. Try involving as many types of memory as you can. Train them. Visual memory. By improving your visual memory, you can look away from the sheet music and still see it in your mind. You can imagine every movement of your fingers on the instrument. Some musicians have improved their visual memory to the point that they can play a piece of music from beginning to end in their head without their instrument. Auditory memory. This gives you the ability to hear every note before playing it. You should train it until you can play the whole piece in your imagination, every melody line, every bass line, every phrase, etc. How can you train it? Sing. Motor memory. This type of memory is most musicians' favorite way to memorize music. This is especially the case for young musicians. Musicians memorize music by playing it again and again. It's like autopilot. You can play a piece of music without getting involved in it at all. You shouldn't rely on this way only, because any kicks can kick you out of the piece. Analytical memory. If you regularly use this type of memory, you are a mature musician. Using this type of memory means being aware of the meter, key, structure, and even harmonic progressions of the music you are playing, its era, style, and so on. It's the most reliable one. By using it, you become almost unaccountable. If mistakes happen, you always know what comes after, where you are in the piece, and nothing can confuse you. It becomes more than just a piece. It becomes a part of you. Train it by analyzing the pieces you play. Develop your theoretical knowledge. You should read something about the composer as well. Okay, you have sung everything. Divided it into small pieces and phrases. Set a slow tempo and deal with the meter, form and harmony of the piece you are working on. Now you can pick up your instrument. Work on the first phrase until you feel confident. Try to involve the 4 types of memory I mentioned earlier. Repeat the same process with the second phrase. Put them together and repeat the process. Take it step by step until you have built a big fragment. Have you memorized the first big fragment yet? Okay, count the beats out loud while playing it. It will help you to check whether you have done it properly. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. It's also a good tool for you to pay attention and focus on the piece fully. Once you've learned the piece using each type of memory, try playing it from beginning to end 3 times in a row. This will allow you to see how ready you are to perform it. If you were able to do it perfectly 3 times in a row, congratulations! If you weren't, do not get upset. Watch the video again. You might have missed something, or you didn't show enough dedication. A lot of musicians are interested in memorizing music faster. If you are one of them, you should know that faster doesn't mean better. If you memorized something quickly, there is a good chance that you will forget it quickly as well. But if you are in a bind and have to memorize a piece in a short time, use just one type of memory, for example, motor memory. It may help you out, but don't rely on it totally. That's all. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to subscribe. I believe that you will find this video helpful. Please leave your comments below and give me a thumbs up. Bye!